Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If somebody treat you bad, you treat them bad or you treat them good, same way. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Thessalonians, them, chapter 5, from verse 12 to verse 22. Brother and sister, now we are begging you to respect the people them we work hard amongst you know. And we are lead and teach you know. Only to give them enough respect and show them how you think them important. Only to love them, sake of what them do. Live in a peace amongst you know one another. And brother and sister, we beg you know, for one the idlers them when you want walk. Help the one them we fraidy, for get brave. And help the one them we weak in any kind of way too. I beg you know, do take no time with everybody. Make sure say nobody not treat somebody bad, cause that they somebody did treat them bad. But only if you always try to deal with one another good and deal with other people good too. No matter what, give God enough thanks, cause of that God want you to do. Know that Uno and Jesus Christ close. Now hold on or shut up the Holy Spirit. Now say the message where people claim say they get from God a foolish, but test everything. Hang on power good and keep away from all kind of sin we bad. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.